Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to delete email and spam Gmail. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click on Amazon Prime subscription tile link. You can find it in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to delete email and spam Gmail. So first, we're gonna start by opening up your Gmail. So once you get on this home screen right here, look on the upper left hand corner. We're gonna select the three dots right there on the upper left hand corner. Make sure that you tap on those, and you're gonna get on this screen right here where they say Gmail on top. But you're gonna look down here where they say spam right there. Make sure that you tap on that. Once you tap on that, then you're gonna try to select an email that you want to delete in the spam. So I want to delete the first one. I'm gonna just tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're gonna go on then you're gonna look on the upper right hand corner where you're gonna see the three dots. Make sure that you select the three dots, and you're gonna select here delete forever, and you're just gonna press delete forever. And that's how you delete email and spam Gmail. If you have like any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in the video description. As I said earlier, it was a way for you to save some money. So check it out, guys, and thank you for watching.